The summer days have begun. I'm excited. Oh my god. Recently this week, Ariana Grande's video came out. Amazing video. She looks stunning. The entire production was gorgeous. But the thing that struck me most was her hair. It's, oh my god, I love it. And I'm thinking to myself, I don't have a human haired wig in that color yet. This is my first time I'm getting a wig from VP Fashion. Okay, you guys know that this is my favorite brand for extensions. They messaged me and they're like, we also have wigs. And I'm like, why did I not know that, you know? I got a complete bleach blonde wig from them. Unboxing a wig is always very much like Christmas Day. It's like, oh, what are you gonna get next? You know, really pretty, really just long lashes, and obviously it's human hair, which means that you can dye it. And today I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. I want Ariana hair, and I got a white wig. For dyes, I'm going to be using Pulpriet. Oh yes. So I've used them before. I'm going to be using a combination of smoke, which is silver, maybe mixing in a bit of lilac simply because I like it when the silver is kind of a bit iridescent, and diluting the ends with clear. This is their diluter. This you can mix it with whatever, any of their dyes, and it just becomes a lighter version of that. Probably I'm gonna try do the roots a bit darker, but I'll see with regards the actual wig. I want to see how it actually goes. I'm going to try do kind of a darker root, lighter end kind of a scenario. Everything will be down in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you'll keep on watching. Yay! So this is how the wig is itself. It's very, very beautifully manufactured. And one thing that I didn't notice that it had that many others don't is this piece of kind of like felt or velvety piece that just kind of ensures a more natural look, which I'm so stoked for. Once I'm done dyeing it, I'll then cut off the lace and customize it how I want to, but for now I'm just gonna leave it on. So guess what? I actually ran out of silver dye halfway through, so I had to add blue to the end so it doesn't remain, you know, undyed. So I'm just gonna wash this off, style it, and see what comes of it. So the wig is half dried and I got a lovely silver color on top, but then... Okay, so I didn't like the blue, so I added purple to it, so now it's a unicorn dazzled wig. So the thing about this hairstyle is, like, first up glance it's like, oh hey, that's a pretty cool color you've got there, you know? It's like all gray, it's like a smoky kind of silver, maybe even a bit of a lavender lilac hint. But then, bam! Here is the wig. I am living for this in a way that you can't even understand. This is the full color of the wig. I've got this gorgeous, almost lavender hinted silver. I have a bit of a darker shadow root up here, and then a classic silver over here. But at the bottom over here, I've got a concoction of blue, purple, and kind of like a violet pink. I ran out of dye midway through. Could have foreseen it probably, but then I'm like, okay, blue is kind of similar to silver, so I added blue. Then I'm like, I really don't like the combination of silver and blue, so while I was washing out the colors at the basin, I went in with direct from the tube with purple and pink and just added it in random sections. That the wig itself looks gorgeous. It is made fantastic, feels insane, it feels incredible. As always, the link of this beautiful wig will be down below. It's the first time that I'm using their wigs, and so far cannot be more impressed. So this will be down below, as well as my own coupon code Stella, which you could use at the checkout if you want a discount. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. I just cut my finger on my tripod. Oh, I'm bruised for life. This is why filming is so dangerous, man.